You think your success is yours. Your wealth, your job, your strength. All because of your hard work. But one illness. One accident. One twist of fate. And it can all vanish. That's why Allah teaches us. There is no power except with Him. In Surah Al-Kahf, we are reminded of the man with the garden. He became proud, thinking his wealth was permanent. But he forgot, blessings aren't guaranteed. They belong to Allah. The verse tells us the secret to humility. It was better for you to say, when you entered your garden, this is what Allah has willed, there is no power except with Allah. Whenever you enjoy success, say, this is what Allah willed. There is no strength except from Him. Why? Because when you connect every blessing back to Allah, your heart stays grounded. Your wealth doesn't make you arrogant. Your strength doesn't make you forget the weak. And your success doesn't make you blind to the giver. True strength, true power, true success is only from Allah. Comment. Save this reminder for the next time you achieve something. Follow for more Quranic wisdom that humbles the heart.